Hello! Today we're going to look at the knots that we use on and around the boat. So with our piece of rope that we have here, going to pop back to the cockpit and we're going to run through the 8 knots that we need to learn on a yacht. Here we are. We're going to practice our knots on our helm, on our steering wheel here. Right, here we are. Got our rope, it's about 1 metre long. You need to get yourself a nice piece of rope because you're going to need to practice these knots quite a few times, and doing them once, twice is just never enough. You've got to do it lots and lots of times. So get yourself a good rope and practice the knots. Right, so what we're going to do here, we're going to learn it all in bite-sized chunks, just little chunks at a time. And we're going to learn the first knot is the round turn and 2 half hitches. Round turn, 2 half hitches is a really useful knot. It's a knot that we use throughout the boat. Mainly, one of its main uses is to tie our fenders on the side of the boat. So you get a lot of practice with this. So, the round turn and 2 half hitches. Used throughout the boat to tie the fenders on. Tie the fenders on to the stanchion or to the guardrail. So, as the name implies, the first thing you do is the round turn. So you go over the top to start with. You take it round, all the way round, good, and that's the full turn. Good full turn there. That takes the weight. Then, with its tail, you pass it over the top and you can back up through the loop that you've just made there. Pull that together. That's a round turn and 1 half hitch. You do the same again. You go over the top. You take it round, back up through the loop that you've just made here. Pull it together. And that's a round turn, 2 half hitches. When there's weight on the line, the weight is taken on the turn, not the knot. So when the weight comes off, this undoes nice and easy. Voila! Knot number 2, the reef knot. So with our reef knot, there's our 2 ropes, same size, and we start off and it's left over right, and you tuck it under, like so, and then it's right over left, tuck it under, like so. Pull it together, you get a nice flat knot, like that. That's your reef knot. Let's do that one again. It's left over right, tuck it under, just like your shoelaces, and then right over left, tuck him under, pull together. You've got your 2 ropes joined together. Left over right, right over left. Knot number 3. The figure of 8 knot. The figure of 8 knots. Here we are. This is the jib sheet. There's our figure of 8 knot there. That stops the rope from running away, as we'll demonstrate in a minute. It's a nice, simple little knot to tie. So I'm doing first. Create a loop like so. With the end, come round the front, come round the back, and you come back to where you started, back to the front, and then you just pass it up through the top, pull it together, figure of 8 knot. Reach in, grab the end, pull him back. We haven't lost the jib sheet.